everyone. The 2026 Mazda BT-50, you're immediately struck by the way Mazda has managed to blend rugged, traditional pickup truck toughness with the refined premium design language the brand is known for. This isn't just a workhorse pickup, and it isn't just a lifestyle truck either. Instead, it sits in that rare space where capability meets elegance, power meets sophistication, and utility meets a modern, upscale driving experience. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 BT-50 from every possible angle: design, performance, capability, interior features, technology, safety, comfort, and all the little details that set it apart from the competition. Walking up to the truck, the front fascia draws your attention immediately. Mazda has used its updated Kodo design philosophy, giving the BT-50 a bold yet refined face. The grille is large and sculpted, with a strong three-dimensional effect that makes the front end look wide, confident, and aggressive. The LED headlights flow organically into the edges of the grille, creating that signature Mazda look: sleek, modern, and full of expression. Down below, the bumper integrates functional air inlets and skid plate styling that reminds you this truck can still handle rough terrain when needed. From the side profile, the BT-50 continues to look muscular yet clean. Mazda's smooth body lines replace the blocky and sharp edges typically seen on pickup trucks, giving the BT-50 a more elegant character. The flared wheel arches add presence, and depending on the trim, you get stylish alloy wheels ranging from 17 to 20 inches. The proportions strike a balance between utility and aesthetics. The bed is long enough for real hauling, but the cabin remains spacious and comfortable. Mazda clearly made sure this doesn't look like a commercial vehicle, but something you'd be proud to drive every day. At the rear, the LED taillights echo the design theme with a modern, slim appearance. The tailgate is sculpted, the bumper is tough and functional, and the bed comes with practical features like tie-down hooks, a durable liner, and options for bed lighting and power outlets. The BT-50 looks equally good from the back: sporty, modern, and ready for work or adventure. Now let's talk performance, because the 2026 BT-50 continues to focus on dependable, proven capability. Under the hood, Mazda equips it with a reliable diesel engine, typically a 3-liter turbo diesel producing strong low-end torque. What matters most in a pickup is torque, and this engine delivers plenty of it, making towing, hauling, and off-road climbing feel effortless. Depending on the market, a 2.2-liter diesel option may also be available for those who want better fuel efficiency while still retaining solid performance for everyday driving. The engine pairs with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, both tuned to deliver smooth and predictable power. The automatic shifts early to enhance fuel economy, but when you push the pedal, it holds gears long enough to give you strong acceleration. The manual feels robust and mechanical, perfect for drivers who enjoy greater control and engagement. The BT-50's ladder frame chassis gives it traditional pickup truck strength, but Mazda has refined the suspension to offer a more comfortable, car-like ride. At the front, you get independent double wishbone suspension, while at the rear, you use durable leaf springs designed to carry heavy loads without sacrificing stability. Even when the truck bed is empty, the ride feels surprisingly smooth for a body-on-frame vehicle. Mazda has tuned the steering to be more precise, lighter at low speeds for easy maneuverability, and heavier at higher speeds for stability. Off-road, the BT-50 is no lightweight. With 4-wheel drive options, low-range gearing, traction control systems, hill descent control, and a locking rear differential, depending on trim, the truck handles mud, gravel, steep rocky climbs, and uneven terrain with confidence. The ground clearance is generous, the approach and departure angles are well balanced, and the underbody is protected to withstand off-road abuse. Whether you're towing a trailer, carrying construction materials, or heading out for a camping adventure, the BT-50 gives you the power and capability to do it all. Inside the cabin is where Mazda distances itself from most mid-size pickups. Instead of a bare-bones interior, you get a premium, almost SUV-like feel. The dashboard design is clean and modern, featuring soft-touch materials, stitched accents, and logical control placement. Mazda has always been known for building driver-focused interiors, and the BT-50 is no exception. Everything from the angle of the infotainment screen to the layout of the buttons and the shape of the steering wheel feels designed around the driver. Depending on the trim level, you get an 8-inch or 10-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and built-in navigation in some variants. The system is intuitive, responsive, and positioned high enough for easy visibility. The instrument cluster blends analog dials with a clear digital display that shows fuel economy, torque distribution, off-road angles, and all the essential vehicle information. The seats are supportive and wide, offering comfort for long drives. Higher trims feature leather upholstery, power adjustments, and heating options. Mazda has ensured that cabin insulation is excellent, meaning engine noise, road noise, and wind noise are kept to a minimum. This makes the BT-50 one of the more refined trucks in its class, a place where you can enjoy music, have conversation, or simply relax during long trips.